my scrappy life, and welcome back to my channel. This is my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Okay, so this is what you got to do. One, you have to be a subscriber of mine. Hands down, that is the number one rule, subscriber of mine. Two, here is what you need to do. I need you to go back through all my videos, whichever one it is, leave a comment down below, and inside that comment, you need to tell me what you liked about it, and if you're an international or a United States resident, because I have two giveaways, and I'm going to leave this open for 7 days. I'm going to start it on the 1st of April, and then I'm going to close it on the 7th of April, and then either the 8th or 9th, I'll have the winners up, so that in the same respect that I can be able to get that out to you as the prize. So, the giveaway. All right. What I have decided to do, because of all of the crazy in the world, I decided that we are going to go shop at, for the internationals, either scrapbook.com or a cherry on top. You have to tell me which one you want to go to, because I know that those two will ship international. Okay? And your prize from one of those two, and this is, I'm not covering this is the cost. The cost of it is going to be a $50 gift card that I'm going to give out to my international subscribers. $50 to either scrapbook.com or a cherry on top, because I know that those two will ship international. Now again, the United States can tell me anywhere they want to go. So if they want to spend their $50 at Pinkfresh Studio, scrapbook.com, my shop, which is close to my heart, any of that, then you have to tell me. So once you are picked, I will message you. For the United States, I will message you, and then you tell me where you want your $50 gift card. As long as I can give it to you per an email, which means like an e-card, I will give it to you that way. And if you want to shop on Amazon and get your crafty goods from Amazon, you could do that too, okay? So, the rules. 1, you have to be a subscriber. 2, you have to comment down below on one of my past videos what you liked about it, and if you are United States or international, okay? The winners will then get international, will shop at either scrapbook.com or a cherry on top, a $50 gift card. United States, they can tell me wherever you want to shop. I will get you a $50 gift card as long as it's done by email so that I can email it over to you instantly. These will be up from the 1st of April till the 7th of April. You have until then. And you have to comment. So I hope that you have fun going back through all of my videos. I have up to this point, at this time, 390 videos for you to go back through and check. 390 videos. I cannot believe that I am not only at 2,000 subscribers, but also have almost 400 videos for you to go back through and look at, which I think I probably am over that 400 mark, or like close to it, because I have a bunch of tags and all that kind of stuff on there. But essentially, processed videos, I am at 390. I can't believe that. So I love that you guys are here. Thank you from the bottom of my heart that you have stuck with me, that you have seen me grow throughout the last 2 years of my channel. I love that you guys are with me. I just, from the bottom of my heart, I just thank you. Thank you. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, go back through, check everything, and see if you can win, all right? And it will be done by random.org. You guys know that that's what I use to do my stuff. So I'll put everybody in a name, etc., go from there, okay? So, with that being said, happy videoing, happy going back through everything. Thank you for all of the subscribers at 2,000 and beyond. And I can't wait to see all your comments. I'm super excited for this. So you got 7 days, and it starts now. Bye. Have a wonderful day.